Just a black ass nigga in a old ass Chevy. Bitch, you better not pull up on me, cause my motor rich and petty. I'm so cool in this bitch, I act a fool in this bitch. While your pants sagging, nigga, I got my tool in this bitch. They don't got me in the booth, now it's time to get rich. Put my shooters on the roof, now your ass gon' get hit. I'm talking kick though, everybody on the floor. This a stick up, rumble, then I let it blow. See, I smoke a lot of weed, but I never tried blow. See, my family full of hustlers, will say you that blow. Remember when I was 5 years old, nigga? Remember junkies knocking at the front. What's up, Chevy gang? Back again another week. So, hey, check me out. I'm about to go down here, check on the Chevy. I'm so excited today. I'm gonna tell you why. Today is my birthday, right? Happy birthday! Go ahead, happy birthday. Drop it in the comments. Like this video, share that. You know what we're doing. But anyway, I'm gonna go check on the Chevy. Tyrone is gonna be done this week. I'm so excited. I know y'all ready to see this thing, so let's go. Let's ride. Boy, Tyler's got the box out here. You switched up the tips on him. See, he took out the where the mittens at, man? Oh, they on the floor. Okay. The Chevy tips, he took them off. A little bit more work done on them. They got them bulbs that this nigga got in here, right? I'm talking about the low beam is brighter than the doggone high beam, y'all. Word.
No more, they bright now. They bright.
What is Dino? Hey, let them see your trunk, man. You wanna let them see it, or you don't wanna let them see it? Nah, don't let them see it. Nah, they don't need to see it. They don't need to see it. Huh? Low. You gonna ride that wrong house with her?
Huh?
You riding that wrong house? It's your boy.
Do it.
What his shirt say?
Well, this guy loves his girlfriend.
That's what's up. What you got going, D? With who?
Yeah, crank it back up. Rough, man, it's rough.
Something all the time, man.
It's something all the time. How it be though. That's a good project. Gotta stick with it.
Damn right.
Gotta stick with it.
What's up? You made that YouTube last night, like you said?
Man, no, bro. I got to make
He told me last night he was gonna make a YouTube, y'all, but
Look, what happened was, you know, every black woman say, look what happened. I fell asleep.
he ain't fall asleep.
I fell asleep, man.
Yeah. So you gonna make one tonight then?
Nah, man, I'm gonna make one night, no for real.
Alright.
I might make one in a few minutes, matter of fact.
Hey, look, this video, by the end of this video, I'm gonna introduce y'all to his channel. So he gotta have that done today.
Today. It's gonna be done today. Got to be done.
Alright.
Got to.
Look at him pulling up in the new ride. I remember trying to add this. Oh man, you getting out like you tired or something. Huh?
What's up, G? Super boy gang.
Mm-hmm.
Why you got him there like that? Huh?
Huh?
Everybody first I work there.
It is. Hell no. Hey, I already got him on camera, baby. Little man, y'all. Same thing I asked, ain't it?
This right here.
What is that?
It's a crossover. But you put out more power, or you add more subs to it. But they have I got that ain't good. And I'm taking everything.
What is it?
I don't even know what it is. So I got that deal right.
Man, I ain't got none of that carpet or nothing.
You really need to put zero gauge in it.
They got the battery in the trunk. I gotta give me a capacitor. I'm gonna put the capacitor up in the car.
Yeah.
Everything goes all right. They come. Blew out right in front of the duck. The boss like shouting, you know what I mean?
No, that almost took the phone out my hand. Hell no. Oh yeah, she right.
So who gonna tell him to go?
Let me clear my throat. Kick it over here, baby pop. Just a black ass nigga in a old ass Chevy. Bitch, you better not pull up on me, cause my motor rich and petty. I'm so cool in this bitch, I act a fool in this bitch. While your pants sagging, nigga, I got my tool in this bitch. They don't got me in the booth, now it's time to get rich. Put my shooters on the roof, now you